Hello everyone, welcome to part 166 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the order invoice, and this time we are going to send the order invoice along with the shipped order email. Okay, so we are going to add the link in the shipped order email so that the customer can also download from the email, download the order invoice from the email. So let's do this one. And first of all, we're going to create the route in our project. Route we're going to create to generate to download the PDF invoice, and that we're going to create not in auth but outside the auth. Okay, so we can generate this one or here in the beginning. Here we can generate. Okay, we can generate this standalone route. Okay, route get, we are going to name this route like download pdf, download order pdf invoice. Okay, and we are going to create its function inside admin. We are going to create its function. We can also do one thing here. Yeah, middleware admin. What we can do, we can also create this one inside here. Okay, here we are going to create download order pdf invoice, and that invoice we are going to create under order controller. Okay, so here order controller, at the rate of, we are going to use that same function uh, for printing the invoice. Okay, this one print pdf order invoice. Okay, we are going to use the same function here like this. So see, if I will see, also we require the order id here, so that I can, so what we can do here, dollar order pdf invoice, and here slash id, order id, like this. Okay, so I'm going to check once, like if we can able to download the here I'm going to also open that order controller add admin, and we'll open that function. Yeah, it seems to be fine. Okay, so what we are going to do, first we are going to check that like whether we able to download or not. What I'm going to do here, like this is the order id is 10. I am going to add here link, and here I will give the 10, and let's see if we can able to download. Yes, we can able to download the invoice like this. So this link we are going to add in our emails. Okay, so I'm going to open the shipped order mail, and here in this mail we are going to add this one at last. Okay, so I'm going to check here, like header section, then address section, then product section. Okay, then calculations. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this header section and will paste at the bottom. We can also open its email to have better judgment of the email first of all. Okay, so that we can uh, check that what we are required to do. So here I'm going to open the email. uh, let's log in, go to inbox, and here I'm going to check the shipped order email, the last email that we have got. Okay, so I'm going to use this one in the bottom as well. Okay, this thing, so fine. So here, that's why I copy this one and put it in uh, here at the footer. Okay, I will make it as the footer as well, footer section. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one tr. Okay, other, I'm going to remove the other trs that we are not required. I'm going to remove all other. Okay, so we are going to copy this one again. Okay, so now here I'm going to write here download order invoice at, now we are going to give that link. So if order invoice link is download order invoice, then the id will come. Download order invoice, and also we are going to get the id, order id, that we can get from here. Here we are already passing this order id, this one dollar order underscore id. Okay, or we can get the order details id. Okay, so here we are going to mention here like this, order id. Okay, so if, and here we are going to add url orders, and here we are going to close this one out, and it seems fine here. Okay, like this. Then we will also close this one like this. Okay, and here we're going to end it like this. Okay, and to close this one, and also this thing we are going to mention here as well. Okay, and we're going to close tag here. And also one more thing, in break, after break we are going to give here uh, copy and paste url, paste to open if link does not work. Okay, so we are going to check once that whether it will work fine or not. So I'm going to refresh here, and we'll once again going to ship this order once again. Okay, with some other details. I'm going to manually type, and any AWB number I'm going to add here, packing number I'm going to add. It will take few seconds to send the email, to send the shipped mail. And let's see, though we can add the condition that the order has been already shipped. Okay, then it will give the error message, but right now we require it for testing. So here we can go down, and you can see download order invoice. So link is there. I'm going to click on that link, and order invoice, it is not generating that order invoice. Okay, so because here we also required to add the admin here. Okay, so that's why it is not generating. If you don't want the admin, then we are required to add this outside. Okay, if you simply want this url to work, because here we are just simply prefixing the admin, so that's why its route is not working. Now it will work, but we need to add this namespace in front as well as we put it outside. So now once again I'm going to click on this one, and let's see. Yes, this time it is working. See, we able to download the pdf invoice after clicking on that link. Okay, so now this link is working fine. So like this, you can add the pdf order invoice link in the shipped order email. And along with that, there are few things that also we can add in our emails. Okay, so in all emails that will come from the website, I am going to add two more times tr. And here in first we can write to the user, for any queries you can contact us at, then email id. Okay, email id will come up. See, there is the email code as well, but right now we can edit like this. I think mail to, yeah, mail to, then info at the rate of, like whatever the email is, sidemakers.in. uh, so I'm going to close this one, and we'll add there as well. Okay, and in last we will add something like regards side makers team, regards, and break here, and then team side makers like this. Okay, So let's see. Now once again we are going to ship once again. Okay, I'm going to refresh once and going to ship the same order once again. Don't worry, I'm going to add some other courier this time. Blue Dart, like Blue Dart is the courier that used in India, and tracking number is something like this. I'm going to update this one. It will take few seconds to send the email, to send the shipped email to the user. We're going to see whether now it looks perfect. Okay, okay. So the email must come. Let's see. Inbox once again. Yes, the email has come up. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, so we can give some kind of spacing as well. Okay. So for that, either we can leave it as blank. Okay, or we can add the break as well. Let's see if we can simply add some NBSP in between. Like if I will add some NBSP here, so line breaks are necessary here. And also between this one, let's see if it will work. So once again I'm going to add shipped status, and will add any of the courier. Okay, click on update. It will take few seconds. So it has been done. Let's go back here, click on inbox once again. Though it automatically comes up, it automatically refresh. Yes, comes. Let's see. Yes, now the space is fine. Okay, so you can also do this one, and also you can change the link colors as well by simply adding black or something else. Okay, so now we able to send the order invoice link to download the order invoice in the shipped order email as well. So stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.